I am going to attempt to do the Brad Mondo butterfly haircut on my own hair. I am not going to lie, I'm a little nervous. Probably shouldn't even be doing it. My sister is a hairdresser, but I am impatient and I really have no time to go see her and have her do my hair. So I am just going to attempt to do it myself. And I've watched a couple of videos on YouTube that describes how to do it. I'm just going to throw shit to the wind and give it a try. Stay tuned and watch me do the Brad Mondo butterfly haircut to my own hair. Stay till the end and see how this turns out. All right, so this is the length that I am working with my hair. Gotten pretty long. It grows pretty fast. I've been using a new hair product that was sent to me in the mail, and I'm going to actually use this today also. This is by Sporacare, and it is a nighttime and a daytime hair serum. I'm going to be using these hair serums. It's supposed to promote hair growth, and my ends have been breaking off terrible lately. So hopefully these serums are going to also help the ends. I've been using it for, I don't know, a week or two now. And I kind of like it. Comes with this big comb. We're going to put that in and massage it in my scalp before I cut my hair. So yeah, let's get into it. I hope I don't mess it up. So I wet my hair down. It says to wet it. It says to use a conditioner so your hair will bind better, but I am just going to use my night serum by Sporacare. This is there's a night and a day serum. This is the night. Smells kind of nice. Almost citrusy slightly. Smells real nice. Just going to put some in the dropper. Add some into my scalp. My hair sheds horrible. Like, I'm a shedder. I lose so much hair. It's a wonder that I'm not bald. And I'm not precise on this. I'm just throwing it all over my scalp. I'm going to take their comb. This kit comes with this comb, and I'm just going to massage that into my scalp with this big comb, which feels really good going through your hair, I ain't gonna lie, especially because my hair, I have a lot of hair. I am a shedder when it comes to hair. It's a wonder I'm not bald. I lose so much hair. But I did switch to a soft water tank, soft water system, and that's helping a lot with the shedding. But I'm just massaging this in real good. We also have a day serum with the Sporacare. Not sponsored though. They did send me this in the mail, but it's not sponsored. I'm still kind of testing this out. But it's nice so far. So I got that massaged through with the big comb. It says, oh wait. We're supposed to put the comb here to find the apex, which is the highest part of your head. I should know some of this because my sister is a hairdresser. She cuts my hair. I'm just impatient doing it myself. So I'm just going to honestly, I don't even care. I'm going from my ears to part. And this is the part that I struggle with the most. I struggle with parting my damn hair. We're just going to, again, throw two shits to the wind and hope for the best. This is why I was a little nervous to do it, because I'm a little nervous to part my own, because I'm not good at parting my own hair. Got it parted. Probably the best I'm going to get it parted. This could go really bad, you guys. And we are going to use a hair tie and tie this off. I mean, if I screw it up too awful bad, it's not too big of a deal because I'll just have my sister fix it for me. I'm sure she's going to love that. Maybe I tied that too many times. I don't know. So I'm not good at parting my hair. All right, so then we're going to take the back and we're going to put that into a high ponytail. Or as high as I can get the dang thing. It's harder to work with my hair when it's wet. Because I have a lot of heavy hair. It's weird because my hair is real heavy and thick, but the strands are thin and fine. The older I get, the finer the strands get. I don't know how bad I'm going to mess this up. Let's try the wide comb from Sporacare. It goes through my hair a lot easier. That's as high as I can get that dang ponytail in the back. I can't get it up there. This is the rigmarole we're working with right now. Hi, Lisa. You might have to fix this later. So this is what the back is looking like. Hopefully all the hair is up. All right, I think the next step, I'm pulling from memory, so this is why I say it could go bad. I'm going right to my eyebrows with this hair tie, about there. I bought these handy dandy hair cutting scissors, so I'm not going all jaggedy. And you're supposed to cut the same amount from the front as you do the back. Oh Lord, I'm kind of worried. I'm gonna get a tape measure. I don't trust myself. It says you want to cut enough off so you can see the difference. Oops. So let's see, how long is this damn piece of hair right here? Good damn. Looking at about 9 inches right there. All right, let's see. So reasonably, I could cut. Let's go to 4. Oh dear, do I dare? 4. He says at least 4. I'm usually chicken and go less, but what if I don't have it parted right? What if this goes bad? I don't like short hair on me. I got, like, my hair is going down here because I got little strands. I know, right? Gemma's putting her 2 cents in. I know. Should I do it, Gemma? Yeah? You're with me if I do? Why are you running? Even Gemma's scared. All right, according to my little thingamabobber, look, there's a piece already losing. That don't seem like 4 inches. I'm going to about there. That's reasonable for me. And, oh dear. Do I just cut? What did I say about there? Yeah. Yeah, that works. We'll go to my top lip right here. All right, here goes nothing. Oh shit, that went on the floor. Uh-oh. Girl, that wasn't even straight. Okay. Yeah, chopped that. Now we're going to bring this down. Find my handy dandy 4 inches. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh shit. I don't dare. I don't dare to go that far. About there. Oh God. I'm gonna go just a little bit longer with that one because, oh God, this makes me nervous. All right. Here goes nothing. My ends were breaking off terrible. I don't know why I'm doing this. I've just seen people do it. So because I've seen people do it, I figure, you know what, I'll do it too. Okay. There's that. Oh my God, I got hair all over my floor. There's the hair I cut off my head. My ends were breaking terrible. But it's getting pretty healthy. Since I went all natural and I'm using these hair oils, my hair's getting pretty dang healthy. Other than the ends being split. But it's been a long time since I've had a cut. I just don't have time. Here we go. We're taking her out. Everybody say a prayer for me. That I didn't screw this up too bad. Oh! God, did I get it that short? Let's see. Oh no! Here's the back with length. Ah, okay, I can still grab it. That's good to know. I can still grab the ends. All right. I'm going to get it dry and see how it looks. Okay. Got it dry. This is kind of what we're looking like. My goal was to just kind of get some of those split ends off. I think I might have accomplished that. But I don't know. I feel like I got like a little choppier in here. But overall, it doesn't look too bad. I probably could have manned up and went a little bit shorter with the cut. But I was chicken. Here's the back. I might have to have my sister trim those ends just because I feel like the ends are getting kind of thin. Got a damn colic back here. But it's not horrible. I didn't screw it up too bad. And I didn't lose a whole lot of length off it. So let me know in the comment section down below, how do you think I did? Did I do enough or should I have taken some more? I look forward to hearing your comments and whether you have tried this haircut on yourself or are even thinking about trying this haircut on yourself. I'll also drop a link to the website for Sporacare if anyone wants to check that out. It's not affiliated or anything like that. It's just something, if you want to check it out, you can. It'll be linked down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to comment down below what you guys think. Bye.